Eswatini. Official name, Kingdom of Eswatini. Capital, Mbabane. Administrative, Lobamba. Royal and legislative. Official languages, Siswati, English. Population, approximately 1.3 million, as of 2021. Area, 17,364 square kilometers. Location, Southern Africa, bordered by Mozambique to the northeast and South Africa to the southwest. Government, absolute monarchy with a dual system of governance, consisting of traditional Tinkhundla-based local governance and a parliament. Currency, Leilani, SZL, pegged to the South African rand, ZAR. Independence, achieved independence from the United Kingdom on September 6, 1968, as the Kingdom of Swaziland. The name was changed to Eswatini in April 2018. History. Eswatini is one of Africa's last remaining absolute monarchies, with a long history dating back to the establishment of the Swazi Kingdom in the mid-18th century. Colonized by the British in the late 19th century, Eswatini gained independence in 1968 but retained close ties with the United Kingdom. The country has experienced political stability under the rule of King Sobhuza II, 1921–1982, and his successors, although it has faced criticism for its lack of democracy and restrictions on political freedoms. Economy. Eswatini's economy is primarily based on agriculture, manufacturing, and services. Agriculture, including subsistence farming and commercial sugarcane cultivation, is a significant contributor to the economy, employing a large portion of the population. Manufacturing industries, particularly the textile and garment sector, have been developed with the support of foreign investment and trade agreements. The services sector, including tourism, financial services, and telecommunications, is also an important driver of economic growth and development. Culture. Siswati culture is deeply rooted in tradition, with customs and ceremonies playing a central role in daily life. The Umhlanga, reed dance, and Inkwala ceremonies are among the most important cultural events in Eswatini, attracting thousands of participants and spectators each year. Traditional music, dance, and storytelling are integral parts of Siswati culture, with various musical instruments such as drums, rattles, and horns used in performances. Eswatini's traditional arts and crafts, including woven baskets, pottery, and wood carvings, are highly regarded for their craftsmanship and cultural significance. Tourism. Eswatini offers visitors a diverse range of attractions, including wildlife reserves, cultural festivals, and scenic landscapes. The Lane Royal National Park and Malilwane Wildlife Sanctuary are popular destinations for wildlife viewing and outdoor activities such as hiking and birdwatching. The annual Umhlanga, reed dance, and Inkwala ceremonies, held at the royal residences in Lobamba, offer visitors a unique opportunity to experience Siswati culture and traditions. Eswatini's picturesque scenery, including the Azulwini Valley and Malolotya Nature Reserve, provides opportunities for ecotourism, adventure sports, and relaxation. Challenges. Eswatini faces various challenges, including high levels of poverty, unemployment, and HIV/AIDS prevalence. Political tensions, including calls for democratic reforms and greater political freedoms, have occasionally led to unrest and protests in the country. Economic disparities between urban and rural areas, as well as between different regions of the country, remain a significant challenge for development and social cohesion. Conclusion. Eswatini's rich cultural heritage, natural beauty, and vibrant traditions make it a unique and compelling destination for visitors seeking to explore the diversity of Africa. Despite its challenges, the country's resilience and commitment to preserving its cultural identity and natural resources position it well for sustainable development and growth in the years to come.